Hi, I'm Rob Panzarella, General Manager of Fluid Systems at Airline Hydraulics. And today with me, I have Joe Kelly from Parker. Joe, I'm going to grab your care package and tell me everything that's in here so we could all learn about it together.
Sounds good. Thanks for having me.
So when you're nice to Joe, he sends you an entire tube of hose. Well, start with this guy.
So this first one is our Easy Form hose. So what's cool about this hose is that it's a general service hose. It's been in our product lineup for a long time. And the thing that's unique about it is it has this cover with a ridge that's spiraled into it. And you're able to get really tight bend radiuses and get into, let's say a data rack.
So I'm used to the red one. What's the blue do for me?
So the blue one is for industrial coolants. So the red one is more rubber compounds that focus on oils, whereas this is made to withstand service with a coolant.
So that's EPDM?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yep, and this comes in sizes from 1/4 inch all the way up to several inches in size.
And how do I make connections with this?
So there are standard crimp connections with the 26 series and HY series fittings.
Can I do push to connect if I wanted to?
No, not on that hose.
Okay. What is this blue one?
So this is our 801 Push-Lok Hose. Again, this is another general service hose that Parker's had for a long time. It's one of our standbys, a really great hose. Can do all kinds of different things from air to coolants, what have you. And it also uses an 82 series push-lock fitting. So a couple of things that happen there is you're eliminating clamps and you're eliminating improper installation. So you're taking the 82 series fitting, you're placing that into the end of this hose, and with the push-lock system, once you've made that connection and you've inserted the fitting barb all the way, you have a leak-free connection on this hose.
Let's see, what about this guy?
So this is 807. So this is part of the Push-Lok lineup. It's the newest member of the Push-Lok family. This is, unlike the traditional 801, this is an EPDM peroxide-cured hose, which gives you all of the reliability and leak-free connections of the Push-Lok series, but it also gives you an enhanced ability to deal with coolants because of that EPDM peroxide cure, which has become kind of standard in the
What's the deal with the
industry.
peroxide curing?
So it just gives it a enhanced ability to deal with coolants. So it's just a process. I don't really know.
Okay. But peroxide curing is required by most of the data center applications now.
Yes, that's become the industry standard. They look for peroxide curing on their products.
Okay. Well, we've got two more in here. So.
Gotcha. So this one here, kind of like a little spaghetti hose. This is the server blade hose. It's a very new addition to Parker's lineup. It is made out of EPDM and has the peroxide curing process to it. This hose is designed for direct-to-chip cooling. So this would go on the server rack, and it would go directly to the cooling plate, and this is what would ddeliver your coolant to the server blade.
So each individual blade would be fed with that?
Would have a feed with one of these types of hoses, and it's a dash 3.5, which is kind of an odd size, but that's what was developed for the industry, and that's kind of what they were looking for. It gives them the maneuverability and small outside diameter, so they're not taking up as much space as they possibly can.
Okay. And then here's the much bigger line.
Right. So this is a very similar construction, also EPDM peroxide cured. This is a 1-inch hose, and what this is very similar to the server blade hose, but this is more designed for fluid transfer. So from wherever the fluid is collected to the server racks, and then this would disperse it from there.
That's what I was going to ask. So
blades.
This guy is the header. This guy feeds all the little blades.
That's exactly right.
Okay. Perfect. At least I feel like I have some kind of idea as to where these things are used. Hopefully everyone who's watching this feels the same way. If you'd like us to come out and show some of the Parker technology as well as some of our other technology, We do have a technical traveler that is available to come to your site. It's a walkthrough process, and you can see all the other data center solutions that Airline offers. Thank you for joining us today, and thank you, Joe.
Yep, thanks for having me.
See, one take.
You think that was okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Hit stop.
I was nervous.